Good day. I'm Margaret Lee Shetterly, a writer driven by a desire to tell the stories that history has too often left out. Growing up in a community connected to NASA, I was surrounded by people whose brilliance shaped the course of science and technology, yet whose names rarely appeared in textbooks. My work is about bringing those voices forward. In my book, Hidden Figures, I tell the story of three colored women: Katherine Johnson, Dorothy Vaughan, and Mary Jackson, who worked as mathematicians or the human computers at NASA during the space race. At a time when the United States was racing against the Soviet Union to reach space, these women performed the critical calculations that made spaceflight possible. Katherine Janssen calculated the flight paths that sent astronauts into space and safely back to Earth, including the mission of John Glenn's Friendship 7 mission. Dorothy Vaughan mastered early computers and led her team into the new age of programming, while Mary Jackson fought to become an engineer despite the barriers of segregation. They worked in a divided society, separate offices, separate facilities, yet their brilliance could not be ignored. Their calculations solved complex problems of launch, orbit, and re-entry, helping the United States achieve major milestones in space exploration. This story is nonfiction because it is true. It is based on real people, real events, and careful historical research. I did not create these women. The world simply failed to recognize them, and my work brings their extraordinary contributions into the light.